Hello, good morning to all employer out there. I'm Marisa Octavo from Philippines. I'm 33 years old. I'm single parent. I have one daughter. She's 11 years old. My previous work is I'm ex-abroad, 3 years working from Hong Kong. My employer there is one couple and one child. She's 11 years old. My main duty is taking care of a child, send her to school, and do some household chores like cleaning, cooking, marketing, and I'll do cook some basic food like steamed fish, steamed pork, uh, fried veggie, and I cook some Filipino food. To my to my To my future employer, I promise that I'll do my best to serve your family and love as mine. Thank you and God bless.